Hello, welcome. And today is one more scenario from the CKS series, and we are solving this verify platform binaries. So, what is the goal of this exercise? Is check whether the installed kubelet binaries on the node has been tampered or not. So most of the means sometimes version can be seen, but binary can still be malicious. So what hash comparison is required? So basically, it is the cluster hardening section exercise. So we are not editing or modifying anything. We are just checking the things are going right or wrong. So we'll use SHA comparison. So everything is given here. You can always solve it, but most of the people won't find it interesting. So I'm here to make it little interesting. So compare the kubelet binary. Download the kubelet binary in the same version as the installed one. So here link is given. Compare the SHA hashes and answer with echo same answer or echo different answer. So tips are already given, so download. So basically this is what if this command we run, it automatically here get the kubelet version or download the kubelet version. So here we can kubelet hyphen version. So here v134 3 great. So but if you copy this command, so you will find only this v134.3 because rest of the thing, so I can echo on where, so you will see here this thing. So because here this variable is here, so no need to type all the commands. So copy paste. If I run, you can download the same, or otherwise you can manually write it if you are using this command. So everything, if it is not explicitly asked, then you can do it by your own way. Otherwise you have to follow the instruction. And now ls FNL. So you will see this. So we are unpacking it. We are located. So here tip 2 is compare hashes. So where is kubelet? So this is the path where the kubelet is. So we need to compare the hashes. So this is the hash paste. And now so one file is here also. So cd server ls cd bin ls. So this is the kubelet. So we'll copy this. Sorry, cd share. So here both the I'll run one by one. So it is easy to compare. So this is, I won't find it is similar. So here we are seeing that these are the different hashes. Okay. So you can do one thing. You can compare. So we can do one more thing. So we'll take this in. I'll just write hash here. It's simple, but so I can have one variable exe. So exe means KILER killer equal to share. I'll take this AWK and one. So and web p equal to, so I'll store in web op. Now echo web op and echo killer. So these are two, and we can compare it. Compare not one. You can equal. So it is the text. So we have taken this in the. So what will we do? We'll paste it. So it is showing it's a different. We already done it manual, so we have to save it in answer. And now we'll check whether we have done successful. So validation is so we have solved it. So now I'm targeting to solve all the this all CKS, CKD, CK, and whatever the important thing here in killer shell. And so that it is very interesting because most people find it's very boring. So I'm making effort to make it interesting. Thank you so much for your love and support. And if you are doing practice regularly, so means Kubernetes is very easy and interesting. So always do practice. Thank you so much for your love and support.